Hi everyone, welcome back in another video. So this video it's gonna be a little bit different than usual because I'm not gonna create a project or it's not gonna be a video tutorial, but rather it's a tool that I just built to be able to automate and also to save me some time to create a boilerplate Next.js template. So as you can see, so this is the landing page, and the reason why I created this project is because in the process of building all the projects in my YouTube channel, one of the things that wasted me a lot of time and it was repetitive is setting up things. So I waste for about 30 minutes of each video to be able to set things up, and I'm doing the same thing over and over again, like installing ChatCN, installing the dark mode, installing the font. So I decided why not to just automate all of these things, and based on based on what we are going to put, we are going to generate the thing that I want. So I'm going to show you how it looks like. So as you can see, so this is the landing page, and also it supports the dark mode as well. And also we're having some packages, the most popular packages that are gonna be ready to use once you generate the boilerplate code without having to install each package, which is going to save you a little bit of time as well. And so I'm going to click on the Get Start Now. So we're going to be headed toward this stepper. So the first step that we need to go through is the project name. So we need to add the project name. So I'm going to call it the SaaS Builder. And as you can see, as I'm typing, things are going to be changing because just to make things pop up and to see how things are going to look like of the boilerplate code, just added this preview at the right side. And also I'm going we can be able to add some customization, and also we need to add a description. So I'm going to just type in this is project description. So these elements are going to be saved into the metadata inside the layout.jsx. So it's going to be added automatically without having to do them manually. And also it's going to make the process a lot easier when you want to create a new project. All you have to do is just to focus on the code. And the reason why I want to share with you guys first this before I put in much effort into it, just to get some feedback and let me know what you think about this little application. And also, I'm gonna keep using this application for the future project that I'm gonna be building in this YouTube channel. So once I set the project name and the project description, so the next step that we're gonna be headed to is the personalization. For now, I added the radius, so you can be able to change the radius. As you can see, as I'm changing the radius, so all the radius of the button and the rectangles are changing accordingly. We can be able to change the font. So I'm gonna choose the pop-in font. As you can see, it is changing in real time. And also we can be able to change the color. And again, all of this is gonna be saved automatically into the boilerplate code or template that you are gonna generate. So once I'm done with all of these things, I'm gonna click on next. And the third step, it's gonna be you will review all the things that you did. So once we are comfortable with what we have in here, I'm going to click on generate. And here, this is going to generate a boilerplate code template. And as you can see, it's going to be generated inside the zip file. So I'm going to open it up. So let me close this, and I'm going to copy all of these, and I'm going to extract them into a new folder. So let's put it in here. So I'm gonna extract it inside this file or folder, and I'm gonna open up this folder inside VS Code. So let me open up the folder. So this is the folder that we just created it. And here we are gonna open it up, and all I have to do, so the first thing that I want to show you, if we go to the package.json, so as you can see, the name that we want to create our project, it's going to be added inside the name of the package.json. And also if we go to the to the app folder and we open up the layout.tsx. So as you can see, we set up automatically all the fonts to be added inside the HTML. And also, as you can see, I added the dark mode. So eventually, it's gonna throw these errors because I didn't install React or TypeScript or anything like this. So that's normal. And also, one thing that I want to show you is the name. So as you can see, as I talked about the name of the project, it's going to be in the metadata object, which is the title and the description. And also, if we go to the global.css, so here our font that we selected is going to be added inside the font family property, and also all of the elements that are related to ShadCN are going to be generated automatically. So now all I have to do is I'm going to open up the terminal and I'm going to type in npm install and it's going to install all the packages needed so you can be able to run this project. So that's going to take a while. So I'll be back just to show you the completion of the project. So after the installation is completed, as you can see, I tapped in npm run dev. So right now the server is running, and if I go to localhost 30,000 and hit enter. So we are waiting that the page is loading and the compilation is running. So it's going to take a little while because my computer is a little bit slow. And so we are waiting that it's going to be loaded. And as you can see, you have this right off the bat a simple template of all the elements that we set up. We're having the name, we're having the icon, we're having the color, and also we're having the dark mode, as you can see. And also notice that the radius of the elements also goes accordingly to what we set when we created our boilerplate. So that's going to save me a lot of time, and just like for about 40 minutes, to be able to just start working on the project, especially for the videos that I create. And also, I think that's gonna it's gonna help you as well. So I'm planning to add more features to this application. But first, I wanna just to get some feedback, guys, from you. What do you think about this application? And it is helpful or not? And also, I ask you to share this application among all the developers that you know. Hopefully, that's gonna help them as well. So that's for this video. So I'm gonna use this application in all the remaining in all the upcoming projects that I'm gonna be building in the future. So thank you guys for watching this video. So just I really encourage you to use this application to be able to create projects and also skip all the things that probably might like hinder you from starting your project.